Baby, are you done with your set? Okay. God, looks so good. I just finished mine. I'm so tired and exhausted. But God, I want to kiss you so bad right now. Yeah. Matter of fact, come here. Oh, you taste so good. Yeah. I mean, I would love to take you home right now, but I gotta finish one more set, and then I'm here with you. Okay? Be right back. Give me one more kiss. See you. Alright, I'm gonna start my set now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I almost lost count. 6, 7, 8. Come on. 9. Okay, last one. 10. Okay. A little bit of rest. Okay. Okay. Damn, I better get gains from how much I work out. Damn, look at my baby. You're doing so good. I'm so proud of you. And by the way, after my set, we're gonna drive home, okay? I'm gonna take care of you in a more special way. Alright, this is my last set, so we better make it count. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. This time it's hard. 5, 6. Okay, I'm already getting tired. I don't know. Okay, I got it. Okay. I was at 6, right? Okay. 7. 8. 9. Okay, last one. Let's go. 10. Shit. Fuck. Okay. Shit. So tired. Holy shit. At this point, she needs to take care of me. Not the opposite. But it's okay. She deserves it. Anyway. Let me just take a break real quick. Okay. Yeah. Baby, are you done? I'm so fucking tired, by the way. You have no idea. Well, I'm glad it was good. Okay. You ready to drive home? Yeah, let's go. Okay. Now you're ready for that special treatment, huh? I love you. I really fucking love you. You have no idea. I love you so much. I adore you. I crave you. I'm so fucking obsessed with you. Yeah, God, you're so beautiful. Damn, your lips are making me hungry. You're so gorgeous. Come closer. Let me kiss your forehead. I love the touch of your hair. It's so fucking soft. I love it. I wish I can touch it all day. Yeah. You love it? I'm glad. God, I love you so fucking much. I want to eat you. You taste so fucking good. How many times do I have to say it? Shit. I love it so much. Well, I love you too, if that's what you wanted. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I get it. How was work today? Was it good? Okay. Well, I'm glad. I'm glad it was good. That's that's the kind of day you always deserve, you know? I know it's not gonna happen always, but just know that that's what you deserve every single day. You deserve a very fantastic day every day. Yeah. I might be based because I love you so much, but even if I didn't love you so much, you're such a nice girl. I love you so much that I just want everything nice for you. Yeah. Oh, I love the smell of your hair. Yeah. Well, no, it's nighttime, right? You need to sleep. Mm-hmm. You got work tomorrow, so you gotta get that nappy. Because tomorrow you're gonna have to wakey. Yeah. Good night, baby. I love you. Mwah. Good night.